Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync audio with video in CapCut. So if you have a video in your CapCut and you want to add another voiceover, maybe you have a separate voice or voice over recorded audio you want to add to your video, and you're wondering on how to make both the video and the audio over you want to add to your video to equalize in CapCut. This is how you can do it. So make sure you add the audio to your CapCut, and once you import it, then you drag it and place it somewhere under the video, or just place it anywhere in your timeline. And make sure the audio and the video are in the same equal length. You can see they're both on the same equal length. After that, then click and highlight both the video and the audio. Highlight everything at once. You can see both three are highlighted. Then you right click, then you can see sync video and audio, and that's it. And that is how you can sync video. The reason why this is not working is because this is not a raw audio. This is actually something else, but just to make the video. So if you find this helpful, you can follow for me. Thank you.